Destroy this world, and I will rule it all now.
The world is yours.
Did you know that the entire animation short was done using AI tools? Be sure to watch till the end to see how I put it all together. To create the look of the scientist, I used Midjourney. You need to create a free Discord account and pay to use Midjourney. What you want to do is select a newbie's room on the left side. Then in the prompt type the command Imagine Prompt 3D, Pixar style mad scientist with white coat and wild gray hair, glasses --V space 5.2. The V 5.2 is to let Midjourney know the latest version to use. You can adjust how you want it to look. This is the scientist I like, so I'm going to download it. Now we head to Stable Diffusion to create the robot. In the prompt, we will type create a 3D robot that is ready to take over the world. There's a lot of styles to choose from, but in our case, we'll select Game Retro Game and then click Generate. Here's our robot. Next, we're going to use 11 Labs to create the voiceover. 11 Labs has a library of voices you can choose from across gender, age, accent, and foreign languages. We're going to choose Phil, our mad scientist, and type the dialogue here and click Generate.
Destroy this world, and I will rule it all now.
To create the robot voice, let's head over to narrakeet.com. I'm going to select GuardBot, type in "The world is yours," and click Create Audio.
The world is yours.
Now that we have the voiceovers and characters, let's start the animation process. First, we go back to Midjourney to get the scientist we created. Then we'll head over to DID to upload the image. Next, we'll grab the audio we created from 11 Labs and attach here. Let's click Generate Video and then click Generate.
Destroy this world, and I will rule it all now.
In a matter of seconds, our static image was animated and lip-synced in no time. But wait, we're not done yet. I'm going to show you two different AI tools to animate the robot. First, we need to grab the robot we created in Stable Diffusion. Then we head to Pika Labs. You'll need a Discord account. In Pika Labs, on the left side, select Creations Room and pick one of the Generate rooms. Then in the prompt, go ahead and type /animate image and upload the robot image. Then type scanning area for enemies and hit enter. Give it some time for your order to be processed, and you should see the results. This looks very cool. Now we're going to head over to Runway ML. Click Start with Image and upload the same robot image from Stable Diffusion. Click Generate 4S, and let's take a look at the animated image. It looks great. The last thing is to put it all together. I'm going to edit the project using veed.io. I also added some music and sound effects to the project. Let's take a look at the finished video.
Destroy this world, and I will rule it all now.
The world is yours.
There you have it. We just made an AI animation using some of the most popular AI tools. I'll also leave the links below in the description. Until next time, stay creative with AI.